Make this very delicious dish with just potatoes, cauliflowers, onions, peas, and some spices. This is a dish that makes a perfect dinner or lunch on any day of the week. Make it when you are entertaining for a stunning side dish. It's a dish that's come together just so easily. So first things first, let's do some prep work. 6 Yukon Gold potatoes. Peel and cut into bite size. Cut into nice bite size. That looks good to me. This goes into a bowl with water. 1 cauliflower. Cut into bite size. We'll put this in a bowl. I will actually save these leaves. They are delicious and also you save on wastage. Get all these young leaves. One onion, peel and slice. Separate this into individual sort of rings. Set the onions aside. Potatoes and garlic are very good friends. There's a good amount of garlic. I'll say about 2 tablespoons, just roughly chopped. Wash a bunch of cilantro and just chop it. We will finish the dish with a squeeze of lemon juice. So just put this aside. Now onto the stove and start the cooking. Into this very hot wok style pan, add some cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. Add the potatoes. Season, salt and pepper. Make sure the potatoes are in one layer. Put a lid on. Steam this for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. The potatoes are starting to get some color. The idea for this dish is all about textures. Yes, I know you can't talk textures when you're thinking potatoes and cauliflower in the same pot. But cooking each item separately and just making sure that it's barely cooked, you preserve the textures and good flavors. Now cover this, cook until the potatoes are just softened. Takes about 8 minutes. Now this has been about 8 minutes also. Check for the potatoes. Yep, they're softening. take them out. Mind you, for this dish, only the potatoes will take the longest to cook. So we pull them out, put them aside. Now in the same oil, add cauliflower. Bring the heat all the way back on. Season, salt and pepper. For the cauliflower, sprinkle some turmeric, some chili powder. At this point, this is just for color. Let the cauliflower get some color. Now check this cauliflower. There's a beautiful color here. Let it saute for a minute or so. Now remove the cauliflower and mix it together with the potatoes. Now into this pan, add some oil. Quickly add the onions, a touch pepper, salt. Now add the spices, coriander, cumin, the rest of the turmeric, some chili powder. All ingredients will be in the description box. Add garlic and quickly saute all these. Add some more oil here if we need. Let all the spices bloom and the onions just to slightly soften. We are not looking to fully cook the onions here for this recipe. Now add the cauliflower greens that we reserved. Remember, that is optional. Now back into the pot, add the cauliflower and the potatoes. Just have a look at that. At this point, you can add whatever you wish into this dish. This dish is inspired by an Indian dish called Aloo Gobi, which means potatoes and cauliflower. A heaping of cilantro, and now let everything finish cooking. All the flavors to come together. A squeeze of lemon juice. And basically this dish is done. Taste the potatoes. They are perfect. Cauliflower, good. More cilantro, and that's it. some of this cauliflower. So the spices and everything in this dish just comes together to give you this very stunning dish. It's so simple to make. The potatoes are perfectly cooked, just softened but still retain some texture. The cauliflower, a nice soft crunch. This is a dish that you can do on any day of the week. It's especially perfect for entertaining or just as a side dish on any day. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.